Show me what were you saying, Hayden?
You're a ballerina picture.
Oh, you're a ballerina?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Do you want to be a ballerina when you grow up?
Yeah. But can we be a ballerina for Halloween?
If you want to be a ballerina for Halloween,
How about we be Ariel for Halloween?
you can be Ariel. That's fine.
Not that. No, I was in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland? That sounds great.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, Hayden. Show me your dance moves. I want to see those moves. That is sassy. Wow, that is sassy. I like it. Those are some good moves. I think you scared Moxie a little bit, though.
Sorry, Moxie.
There she goes.
There it goes.
Should I put some music on for you?
Yes.
Okay, hang on. I will get it on for you. Hayden, do you want the one dance song? Hayden.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
No, not that one.
I want to see those dance moves. You have to come out here and dance. I can't see you over there. How am I going to take a picture if I can't see you? Hayden, get off the dog. Show me your moves. Okay, you're going to do it in the kitchen. Show me the move. Oh my.
Got ya.
Show me.
I'm too busy.
You need a drink? Gotta hydrate? Let me see those shoes. Ooh. Show me the moves, girlie. You don't have to dance if you don't want to. Want to stop dancing?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn the music off. Okay, it's off. So what do you feel like doing today?
Going to the playground.
Yeah?
Yeah. How about we don't go to the playground?
What do you want to do instead?
I want to go to the park.
The park? Well, which park?
Not the one that you take me to.
Which one then?
The one, not that one.
Which one would you like? The one Daddy takes you to?
That one. What one?
The one that has by the school, the big school?
No, the big one. The one. The big one. I want to go to the big one.
I don't remember the big one.
The big one at the park. Baby.
Be nice to her. Be very gentle.
Oh. It's fine. It's fine.
Hayden Hannon, let go of her arms.
I drank her. I was trying to make her fly.
Hayden, I want you to let go of her arms.
Her flying. Her fly. Whoa.
Hey, Hayden. I love you.
I love you.
Hey, Hayden, are you a princess?
Yeah.
What else do you want to tell me?
I love you.
I love you too. And what else? What's on your mind?
Is it feathers?
Hayden? You know you're not allowed to touch that.
good girl. Say hi.
Okay, say bye-bye.